Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, it's Malay Philippines. It's Tuesday night and we're just finished it and I seen some comment.
We just arrived home because we so busy this day. From 8 morning we've been in airport. We can watch later video from airport. Another video already. I just only come back to home. We don't have time to watch another video channel, YouTube channel. Really, we're so busy. I'm busy sometimes in my business in China. Shaira also busy. And I just want to today reply to comment in my channel. It's our channel, it's Malay Philippines. And I see, you can read this one.
Okay, this is from I Love Money 6767. So Leon, this blogger is taking shit about you on his channels and saying that he is assaulted by the guy on Walking Street was not really an assault and you just say that to get views. How you feel about that?
I already replied to our subscriber about what I thinking. It's his channel, he can do what he wants in his video. I cannot stop him. It's his channel. It's not good if he say bad words about another people in the Philippines. Not only in the Philippines, another people. We never say to another bloggers like bad blogger don't want to watch like this. We not. And I see this as blogger in the walking street sometimes. Sometimes in the walking street and he say hi, he smile. It's okay, I also smile hi and sometimes I show him and I say to yes, as this blogger. No, it's okay for me, not problem. Yes, Shaira. I need, maybe a few days ago I've been in Margarita station. He also with his phone take video. It's okay. It's okay. I am a friendly person. We can talk together. No, he not talk with me. He just always say, welcome to his, subscribe to his channel. It's okay. I said, okay, yes. I already subscribe, but I already unsubscribe. Why I need subscribe people who don't like me? And
of course, so that she can...
Yes, Shaira, what you thinking about situation with a person who attacked me in the walking street? Because we together. I am walk in with camera and Shaira is near me. So you very close from where...
I'm in the back.
Yes.
I'm near. So, okay, I will say this the story. So we're just finished from the Tigtigan Terakan and we're just filming to go home. And after that, I talk already the end video of already in the video. And I said like, thank you for watching like this.
Yes,
and
you not expect I filming.
Yeah.
It's for our like security camera because I not want to upload. I always film video. I always take camera and on camera, not switch off when I go to the car. I already safety in my car. That's why I not thinking about video. So
and then after that, we're just walking and he tried to ask me something so that he need to take turn the camera to me, right? And then this guy go in our front and she said bawal. So I said, okay, we will gonna remove it. I said to him, really, I said to him, okay, I just show like this, okay, like this. And then I don't expect that she will gonna like this, what is this, smash the hand and the camera of Leon.
I hold camera good. If I not good hold camera broke because I like so hard to
and I'm in the back. He touched me here, but I never say it. Why I need to say, right? Maybe some of the bloggers there, this stupid blogger, will gonna say, oh, maybe you're dramatic. Something, maybe. If you have girlfriend, and then they will do that one to your girlfriend, I wish it will not happen to your girlfriend, or maybe you don't have girlfriend here. So I experienced someone who touched me because of that.
If I know he touched you, Shaira, I follow him and already
That's why I
we
said-
talk in police station, but I not know.
That's why I
Why you not say to me?
No, because
Only now
I'm
I
shocked
know.
also because she touched her hands like this. So it's like
Because
wave.
it's
It's
not.
so
it's,
tall. She tall, and her head. Example, you're tall, and he's tall like this. So I'm here. So he touched my hand here, my arms.
I think it's not white only roll.
It's not wide, so
That's
he
why
can touch me. He touched me really, and then after that, I'm shocked. Of course, I'm shocked because someone touched me, and he's the one. And I said, "What? What the fuck?" I said, and she said, "Middle finger to me." That's why I
to
said,
you?
Yes,
To you.
that's why. That's why.
I think
I
to
said
me.
stupid.
Yes, I
Because
hear
I do like this. I take a look her because he touched me already.
I hope this guy watch video maybe in the future, maybe no. He not our subscriber, of course.
Нет.
If he send message to me, I can say to him, we can meet together. I can delete video, not problem. If he say apologize to me, and of course if we meet, we going to police station. I will report in this day. I not want now report to police because police don't know, not identify him. It's hard work to police. It's need to find that who is. We don't know. But if he message to me, I already easy to understand, and I can check also if he send me email. I can find by IP address also. It's no problem.
Yes.
Sometimes, you know, guys, maybe I not say to video. I have so many message in my email, and based on any spam message, and I know who is. It's from Korea. It's this time when Korean guys attack me with laser. I have so many message. They send any like want to work with me like this from company. I know who is. I check by IP address. I know. It's like try to
Okay.
hack.
Can I say something?
Okay,
To that stupid vlogger, you know who you are.
We not want to say who is.
Yes, who you are. So I will say to you, you're shit. And you say it's clickbait, our views, so that we can dramatic. Why you use it? So that why you can have more subscriber, to have more views. You use you use us also. You use our incident so that they can talk.
Yes,
You
and
have
he
more views.
Yes, he want views more.
You're thinking or what?
But we not need so much views. It's not my business. I have enough money for live in the Philippines. YouTube is my hobby. I show our life how we live. Yes, we going to walk in street. Of course, I want subscribers. I want good subscribers. Guys, so many who don't like us, I just block. I want only good guys. And we have so many friends right now because YouTube. Thank you for YouTube. We have so many friends from any
Yes,
country.
it's friends. We're finding friends, but not about the money because
Not about money. I have money. I have
Because-
money. I have all what I want in the Philippines. And not only in the Philippines, guys. You don't know me. I'm not asking about money. Even I'm, what is this, members. Members is not for money. Yes, it's good. If support us. I can buy for Shira something, we go to eat. It's like, it's of course.
But sometimes I give also to another person.
Yes, Shira give to another person who need money.
And also, if I travel to Manila, I always use that one.
Yes,
I not use it for my first personal, okay? I use it for like, if I go to travel to Manila and take some video, I use that money and I share to another person, not only for myself.
sometimes we going together to restaurant, we pay.
Of course, before
It's not problem for me,
before
for
the
Shira.
YouTube, we have enough money before. That's why YouTube is only hobby and make some more friends only, good friends.
Good. I always block who don't want me, who don't like Shira. So many comment
They don't like me. I don't like them also.
Shira, what's why I block? Why I need to? It's
I don't care about them.
same me.
Why? They give me some food. They give me some money. They give me some way, what is this, for myself? They give me for my, what is this, for my health? No, because I can do it myself.
Shaira work, always work. Shaira never work in the entertainment like bars, clubs, never. But always, if we go to, she know how to good sing, and she most of in the bars want to if she work singer in this in the club. You remember in Koreatown, you know, so many asking you when you party with your friend. That's why she have normal work.
Yes, the one, it's 8 already work I have. So
She work in government and even she work just only for when during COVID time she work in McDonald's. But I said, Shaira, you can, why? We have money for it, we have all. What
because I'm normal.
But Shaira said, I want to go to outside because during COVID not easy to go outside. Outside is need to quarantine pass so many, but if you work, it's near our home in Mabalakat, have McDonald's. It's okay. She have only 450 peso one day. She work, it's not for money. She work, she have friends,
And then also
so many
experience.
friends, yes. And she now many friends from McDonald's, not only in the...
Not only McDonald's, okay? I have a lot of friends here. So if someone see me here, they know my attitude. So if you don't like me, I don't like you too also, okay? If you hate me, I hate you too. I don't care about you. So that stupid vlogger on the, it's like, I don't know.
I don't understand him. No, he want to more views, he want to more subscribe. But
Do
I know,
your own content, okay?
yes, need good, interesting content. And have many subscribers.
And you don't care if you're going to walk street every night.
But we not go to walking street
It's only
every night.
Friday, Saturday we go there because I don't want in walking street.
We Shaira like Korean cafe.
I like Korean cafe only and Korean food.
I go to meet with my friends. I speak Russian language with Georgi because always I speak English and Chinese language for my business. But here in the Philippines I speak English, but even my English not good.
And
Shaira.
also-
they understand me. What you think?
Yes, I can understand you.
That
But-
we lived, of course, long time.
I seen also one comment there, like they said, "Oh, I cannot understand what you're talking about. I cannot. What's your language?" Shit! Don't be perfect because English is not easy to to speak because it's so
But
a lot of
I
need
know
to
I
learn.
know China before I can speak English better, but when I start Chinese language, it's already 25 years ago. I start study in Shenzhen University. It's Shenzhen University is big university in the China, and I study, and because it's need for my business, I have business. Who don't know me? I can say what my business is car business. All my life with car business, with Japan, with even in USA. So many before. My business is big before. It's only now. It's because I live in the Philippines. I won't stay more time in with Shaira. If I want more money, I can stay in the China and I get more rich. But I won't stay with Shaira. Even I have not same income, money, same like before. But I want with her. I don't want so much money. It's enough for me. That's why we live together already 8 years. And I happy. I not need to go to, even my business not now, not so big. It's okay. It's okay for me. I am 51 years old. I think it's already enough. Need enough so much money take, like I don't know how.
They said you're dramatic. What the fuck?
It's okay, Shaira. Forgot about this
I don't want. I just only angry and upset of that stupid vlogger because she don't know what happened that time. I just only right now I just react because some of the comment are like they don't know what happened. I don't care if that guy is drunk that time, but he don't know what happened that time also. Who near to him and in the back also.
No, in the back his son.
Oh, it's sun.
Sun.
And the sun is smile
It's
to me.
Georgi said, son, it's look like his son because face same.
His son smile to me.
Son, of course, what he want? He go to walking street to find girls.
I just say, after she say bawal, I said, okay, we will remove it.
Not now, not remove.
But after she do like this to the camera, but she not thinking someone near to him. So my hand here, slap me here.
You can anytime report to police, Shaira, you know. We have video confirmation.
You know.
But
And they said, oh,
better not.
they said, oh, you need always go to police. Like this. You're dramatic.
Yes.
But stupid, this vlogger.
I wish this blogger, I don't want to say his name, he have same situation maybe in the future. He will remember me.
I
He
wish.
he will remember. But police cannot help to you. I know. Maybe help, but no, if you know. But I think he cannot help.
But she's really like so annoying for me. He's-
Okay, Shaira, stop talking about already. I don't.
Do your content, okay?
Okay.
Own your content.
Yeah.
Don't talk about our incident so that you can more views. You're shit. You're a man, but you do some another make some content from another content. So do your own shit content, okay? Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Sorry for this video. It's video not for content. We just only reply to comment what I see today from. You can see it's only 1 hour ago, and I reply to comment only. So I don't want to. I not watch this video. Shaira only watch video.
Yes, I seen.
I don't want to watch. I don't have time.
I seen his video and he talk about us. So you're stupid, what? So that you have views, to have some more subscriber. You cannot make some own content, bitch.
Okay, Shaira.
Sorry for my word, guys, but I don't like that man. Seem like he's a stealer. You know?
Okay, Shaira. Okay, sorry for this video. Really, I don't want to.
Don't be sorry, okay? Don't
Okay,
be sorry, okay?
Okay, thank you for watching. Okay, Shaira, stop.
They can talk. They talk about you, so we cannot talk about them.
We
We have
already.
freedom. They have freedom to talk with about us. So I can talk about them also.
Okay.
I must have upset
No,
already.
our subscribers very nice. Only
Of course.
one guy, I don't know.
And also, why he subscribed to us?
He subscribed when he go to the Philippines. Before maybe, he watch our video and after COVID he go to the Philippines.
What?
Because some of subscribers say, oh, you take a look, this is blogger, he can speak English, and in your video you're not talking like this. I say, okay, you can watch this guy, blogger, he speak English good. It's okay, watch, not need watch our channel only.
If you don't like, just unsubscribe.
Yeah.
You hate us, just unsubscribe. Who good subscriber, who good friends, they know us. They know our attitude. So, who don't like us, bye-bye. See you in the earth. Another earth.
Okay. Thank you for watching.